Okay, let's move to the question number 3. The variable x and y satisfy the equation y is equal to k exponential of a times under root x, where k and a are positive constants. The graph of ln y against under root x is a straight line passes through the points 1.5, 2.83 and 3.2, 4.87 as shown in diagram. Find the value of k and a correct to one decimal place. It is given that we have the equation y is equals to k exponential of a times under root x, ln both sides. So this one will be ln y equals to ln of k times exponential of a under root x, and by product rule we will have ln k plus ln of exponential of a times under root x. So we will have ln of y is equals to ln of k plus a exponential of x ln e, and we know that ln e is equals to 1. So we will have ln y is equals to ln k plus a times exponential of under root x. So we can see that this one is ln y and this one is under root x. This one is ln y and this one is under root x. So comparing this equation with equation of line, y is equal to c plus mx. So you can see that x is equals to under root x, y is equals to ln small y, and c is equals to ln k, where the gradient m is equals to a. So we have 2 points which are 1.5, 2.83 and 3.2 and 4.87. So 1.5, 2.83, and another point we have 3.2 and 4.87. So we can find the value of gradient m by using these points. So m, which is gradient, which is also equals to a, and this one is equals to the y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. This one is x1, y1, x2, y2. So m is equals to y2 minus y1 means 4.87 minus 2.83 over x2 minus x1 means 3.2 minus 1.5, and this one is equals to the 2.04 over 1.7, which is equals to 1.2. So this one is the slope of the line, and this one is also equals to a. Now we need to find the constant c. By using this equation, we have y is equals to mx plus c, where m is 1.2 and we have the point 1.5 and 2.83 which satisfy the line equation, so x and y. So plugging these values in this equation, we will have y, which is 2.83, is equal to slope, which is 1.2 times x, which is 1.5 plus c. So we will have c is equals to 2.83 minus 1.2 times 1.5. c is equals to 2.83 minus 1.8, and this one is equals to 1.03. And this value c is equals to ln k, so we will equal with ln k. So ln k is equals to 1.03 exponent both side. So we will have k is equals to exponential of 1.03 and k is equals to the 2.8011. We need to find the values of a and k correct to one decimal place. So k is equals to 2.8 and the m was 1.2, which was required.